Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Perpetual Premiership. Another Pirates 1, Sierra 1. I'm joined by the Black Hunter.
Stibo, my friend.
Yeah.
No mango to ubuye Pitori, speak to pig.
Yeah.
Mause Pitori bona laba izolo. Uyasijikela but it's fine. Asikhulumi football.
Thank you, Shaila.
Asikhulumi football.
Jigelo wena tot.
Asikhulumi football.
Jigelo wena.
Stibo. Orlando Pirates was playing a guy.
Yes. All the members.
Order, please.
Order.
Yeah.
Stibo.
Elabuti.
Aye, today I'm not crying.
Yes, leadership.
Keshab.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates was playing against Ricardo Goss.
Yeah.
The goalkeeper of Sweden.
Anyone?
Yeah, the guy, I think he saved more than 10. He has done 10 saves.
Yes.
Orlando Pirates played very well.
Yeah.
In all departments.
Yes.
The only problem, up front, we don't have experience.
Yeah.
Up front.
Mbutuma.
Aye. I'm not going to bash any player.
Yeah.
Stibo.
Yeah.
We are going to soldier on with what we have.
Yes. Yes.
Over the game, I don't blame coach, I don't blame the players.
Yeah.
I blame the fans. As the fans.
Why?
Mbuze ngokuthi
Why?
thina siyakhala wesipho Mbude uyangizwa the coach une pressure ufuna ukuplease ama-fan manje namuhla ngifuna azi ukuthi he must stop this thing yokuplease ama-fan the fans when they ask wesipho Mbude angafuni ukusiplease la sifuna iligi you can't substitute nge-70 minutes ufake uSipho uTito lokho akhona adlale ama-minute amaningi before uSipho akekho midfield uTito makangena iPirates yabana ne-dimension ya-function akaze ngizwe na so the coach must stop pleasing us the fans we want this player to come in ngoba thina etraining training asibi khona uyangizwa my so from now on we are going to soldier on ngama-player athina sinawo manje angeke sithi sifuna amabasa abantu sifuna bani what we have we are going to soldier on with it uyangizwa because of khona manje iligi iyatekateka ngoba laba basePitori
The league is gone.
laba basePitori abana that thing ukuthi we are missing chances those guys ePitori they are clinical
Let's go.
akaze ngizwe na thina siyokhala ngento one we are missing chances
Hi man.
that's into lesizokhala ngayo uyangizwa manje mina ngithi ama-players nawo siyaphambili ngawo so Stibo the coach must stop pleasing as the fans.
Thank you leadership.